Already two sections are over under parasector lending. Today we will discuss about agriculture. Welcome to my channel GK FinTalks, destination for success. Please subscribe my channel for continuous updates. In the first session, we have gone through ANBC and COBE, which is very important topic for understanding priority sector lending. In the second session, we have gone through targets for domestic commercial banks, foreign banks, RRBs, and other financial institutions. Now, this is the third session. We are going through sub-targets. Now, as a first topic under sub-targets, we are taking up agriculture. For agriculture, for domestic commercial banks, excluding RRBs and small finance banks and foreign banks above 20 branches, the target is 18% of ANBC or COBE, whichever is higher, out of which a target of 10% is prescribed for small and marginal farmers. Now we will see what is meant by small and marginal farmers. Marginal farmer means a farmer who is having less than 1 hectare. 1 hectare means 2.47 acres. A farmer who is having 1 to 2 hectares will come under small farmers. Further, landless agricultural laborers, tenant farmers, rural lessees and sharecroppers will come under small and marginal farmers. You may observe here there is a special separate target for small and marginal farmers. For 2020-21 it is 8%, 21-22 it is 9%, and 22-23 it is increased to 9.5%, and for 23-24 it is 10%. Now we will see what is the target for foreign banks with less than 20 branches for agriculture. There is no target for agriculture for foreign banks which are having less than 20 branches. What is the sub-target towards agriculture for regional rural banks? It is same as domestic commercial banks, that is 18% of ANBC or COBE, whichever is higher, out of which a target of 10% is prescribed for small and marginal farmers. Now we will see what is the sub-target of agriculture for small and finance bank. It is also 18% of ANBC or COBE, whichever is higher, out of which a target of 10% prescribed for small and marginal farmers. Till now we have gone through sub-targets of agriculture. Now there are three parts in agriculture. One is farm credit, second is agriculture infrastructure, and third one is agriculture ancillary services. Now we will see agriculture farm credit. Loans to individual farmers, including self-help groups or joint liability groups and proprietorship firms, and directly engaged in agriculture and allied activities. You all know that allied activities means dairy, fishery, animal husbandry, poultry, beekeeping, sericulture, etc. Now we will see some of the examples of farm credit. Crop loans including loans for traditional and non-traditional plantations, medium and long-term loans for agricultural and allied activities, loans for pre-harvest and post-harvest activities, loans for distressed farmers in the clutches of non-institutional lenders, loans under Kisan credit card, loans to small and marginal farmers for purchase of land for agriculture purpose, loans against pledge and hypothecation of agriculture produce, against warehouse receipts for a period of 12 months, subject to maximum 75 lakhs against the NWR and ENWR, up to 50 lakhs for warehouse receipts other than NWR and ENWR. Either NWR means negotiable warehouse receipts and ENWR means electronic negotiable warehouse receipts. Loans to farmers for installation of standalone solar agriculture pumps, and loans to farmers for installation of solar power plants. Now we will see second topic in farm credit group, that is corporate farmers, farmer produce organizations FPOs, and farmer produce companies FPCs, and companies of individual farmers, partnership firms, cooperative of farmers engaged in agriculture and allied activities will come under this. Already we have gone through agriculture farm credit individual. Now this we are going to farm credit group. Loans for the following activities subject to maximum limit of 2 crores. Crop loans to farmers, which will include traditional and non-traditional plantations. Medium and long-term loans for agriculture and allied activities. Loans to pre-harvest and post-harvest activities. Loans up to 75 lakhs against pledge and hypothecation of agriculture produce for a period of not exceeding 12 months against NWR and ENWR. And if it is normal warehouse receipt, it is up to 50 lakhs. Loans up to 5 crores for a borrowing entity to FPOs and FPCs undertaking farming with assured marketing for their produce at predetermined price. Further, UCBs and urban cooperative banks are not permitted to lend to cooperatives of farmers. Under agriculture infrastructure, loans for construction of storage facilities, soil conversion and watershed development, and plant and tissue culture by agriculture biotechnology, seed production, production of biopesticides, biofertilizers or vermicomposting, loans for construction of oil extraction, processing units, for production of biofuels, their storage and distribution infrastructure, along with the loans to entrepreneurs and setting up of compressed biogas. All these will come on agriculture infrastructure. Now we are coming to an end. This is ancillary service under agriculture. Loans up to 5 crores to cooperatives of farmers for purchasing produce of their members will come under agriculture and ancillary service. Loans to 50 crores for startups will come under ancillary service. Loans for food and agro processing to an aggregate of 100 crores per borrower from the banking system will come under ancillary service. Outstanding deposits under RIDF and other eligible funds with NABARD due to shortfall which were kept as deposits will come under ancillary service of agriculture. Here are some of the examples for ancillary service of agriculture. Loans for setting of agri-clinics and agri-business centers. Loans to customer service units managed by individuals, institutions or organizations. Bank loans to PACS, FSS, MFIs and NBFCs will come under ancillary services. Till now, under priority sector, sub-target, agriculture we have completed. In the next session, we will start for micro, small and medium enterprises. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. I request you put your comments in the comment section.